I am here with a new mathematical Pemdas based activity. First portion is 6 minus 1. The other portion is 8 minus 1. And in between we have multiplication. Now 6 minus 1 will results 5. Okay. And 8 minus 1 will result 7. Now 5 times 7, it will be equal to 35, which will be correct or not correct. You have to decide. But in my point of view, this answer is not correct. So remove that one and apply order of operation, which is PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and finally subtraction. Parenthesis, here you are looking parenthesis. So first of all, we have to handle 8 minus 1. Let us come to solve our first step. So 6 minus 1 will be as it is, and here is multiplication, so it will become 7. Don't solve 6 minus 1 because it will be a blunder. 6 minus 1 is subtraction, but we have to now multiply. So multiplication has priority over subtraction according to Pemdas rule. So 6 minus 1 times 7 will be equal to 6 minus 7, because we have multiplied earlier than subtraction. Now it will be minus 1, and it is exactly correct answer according to Pemdas rule.